Okay guys, good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So we did analysis about last week, right? I told you guys that we should be expecting a fall on our DXY. DXY should actually give us a bearish move, which we've actually gotten it, right? So we've gotten this bearish move. I think we made about 280 pips bearish move on DXY. So now we want to analyze this movement, or this DXY for this week. Want to predict where this price will be moving for the December 5th to 9th. You know, so we want to know where this price will be moving for this December on the 5th for this week. So now let's start with the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So we need to understand this movement on DXY. At first, DXY was giving us a bullish move. I think the movement for this bullish move started late 2020, right? You can see it's December 2020. We were having a bullish move on DXY, right? This is one of the reasons why we are having a bearish move on GBP to USD. We are having a bearish move on Euro to USD because USD has been giving us a bullish move. So we saw this price going up, and I've also included this moving average. Now, those of you that know how to trade the moving average, you all know that once this price is above the moving average, clearly we are to go long. Clearly it is a buy, right? But once it is below the moving average, we all know that it is a sell. We are to short it. So we can see that this price has been above this moving average. It is a buy. We are going long on DXY, no doubt about that. Then you can now see all of a sudden this price started dropping. We can now see we are in the third month of this bearish move on DXY. You can see that this DXY started this movement. I think this was the month of November, right? This was the month of October. So we saw it the month of October. DXY gave us a bearish move. Price opened and closed bearish. We saw it here also. A good amount of bearish move was made. A good amount of drop on this DXY on for the month of November. We had the bearish move, price dropped massively, right? Now this is December. You can see we just only traded for 2 days. That is Thursday and Friday, right? Friday was about second, right? Friday was second. Thursday was the first, right? So December 1st, second, we've actually gone bearish, right? So price has given us a bearish move, and you can now see that this price is now below our 10-period moving average. Now you all know that once this price is above the moving average, clearly it is a buy signal that's go long. But as you can see, this price has been dropping. That is an indication that something is about to happen. You should have it in mind that it is not the best time to actually go long, to the extent that this price has now dropped and it has broken our moving average. So that is to tell you that this price is a bearish move. You should know that this DXY, especially on the monthly time frame, not on the daily time frame though, on the monthly time frame, you can clearly see that this price is bearish, right? So we are to look to short this DXY. We are to look for a way to sell on this DXY. So that is this DXY. We are bearish on our USD index or DXY. Now that should now take us to the weekly time frame. Notice the monthly time frame, we have to sell, we have to short. Now let's see what this weekly time frame says. So we can clearly see the trend for this movement, bearish. Secondly, you can see that this price is below the 10-period moving average. So let's start it from here. We saw this DXY started this movement from here. Then a correction was made, right? We saw this lows again, right? A correction was made here. Guess what? Again, we had another lows. A correction was made here. Guess what we've had again at the DXY? Now a drop again. So we will be expecting a further drop again. We want to see this drop to around a level of 103. So I'm watching out for this level on the DXY. Reason is that we saw that price has reacted to this level previously. And we all know that once price has reacted to the level previously, price is close to that level, then price will get to that level and react to it. So if you are following consistently, you would know. See, this is the level I'm talking about. So you can see this level, right? Price has reacted to this level, right? And I do tell you guys that once price is close to that level it has reacted to previously, then the price will surely get to that level and react to it. So we will see a further drop to this DXY. It will possibly break below it. We will only have a reaction which will give us a pullback here, which will be visible on the daily time frame, not on the weekly time frame. Though on the weekly time frame, we will see this price open and close bearish. We want to see it take out this low level of 1 but as at now, we would want to see get to this level, then give us a pullback on the daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, which will be more visible on the daily time frame than a continuous bearish move, right? So DXY sit on a bearish move. we are to still consider to short it, right? So if you want to sell, I think from Monday to Wednesday, within Monday to Wednesday, we should be able to take out to this level of 103, and I believe that price will drop further down. So the main targets we'll be watching out for. I think in 2 weeks' time, we should be able to hit this target of 101. So we should watch out. This week we are predicting for, and the upper one, we should expect this DXY or GSD index to drop to a level of 101. So DXY USD index bearish. Monthly time frame says we are bearish, we are to short. Weekly time frame also says we are bearish and we are to short. Now let's see what our daily time frame is saying. So clearly we can see this movement on this daily time frame. You can see lower lows, lower highs. You can see lower lows, lower highs, right? So let's start this movement from here for quick analysis. So we see this lower lows. We can take this as a lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right, on the daily time frame. Now a new lows is forming, right? So we want to see it drop further down to this 103. I think in 1 or 2 days we should take out this level. So we saw price has reacted here, right? We want to see price drop to this level. Then a pullback will happen on the daily time frame, which will be more visible on the daily time frame. You know, I told you guys on the weekly time frame that price will still drop further down, but on this daily time frame, we will see this price give us a pullback, which will be more visible. Once this price give us a pullback, guess what we'll be expecting on DXY or USD index? A further bearish move downward on USD index or DXY. So be expecting a drop on USD index or DXY. But first of all, watch out for a level of 103. Let's say 103.336. So watch out for it. 103.336. Once price gets to that level, we expect a pullback. Once the pullback has been made, then we would expect a further drop on DXY. And you can take a look at it on the daily time frame. What is the moving average? Price is also below the moving average. Now notice price is below our 10-period moving average on the monthly time frame. It is also below our 10-period moving average on the weekly time frame, and we are speculating a bearish move. You can see on the daily time frame, price is also below our 10-period moving average, and we are also speculating a bearish move. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So a pullback has been made, right? We've seen this drop. Price has broken this level. It has reacted to previously, right? We saw price rejected here once. Price came to reject here. We all know that once price is reacting to a level previously and price breaks out of that level, definitely a pullback needs to be made to test that level. So we saw price has been reacting to this level previously. Price has broken out of this level. Of course, we expect a pullback to be made. This is what has just happened. Now we are now on a bearish move on DXY. So DXY, a continuous bearish move. So this week we should expect to short on USD index for DXY.